A huge new leak has just revealed the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip FE. But wait, doesn't this look familiar? If you're experiencing deja vu, you're not alone, because this latest leak makes one thing clear. The Galaxy Z Flip FE is basically a budget-friendly copy of the Galaxy Z Flip 6. For months, we've been hearing rumors about Samsung working on a more affordable clamshell foldable, and now, thanks to a collaboration between Samiguru and well-known leaker-owned leaks, we have high-quality renders that give us our best look yet at the upcoming Fan Edition model. But here's the thing, it looks just like the Galaxy Z Flip 6. That's right, if you were expecting something fresh and different, this leap might be a little underwhelming. The design of the Z Flip FE is almost identical to the Flip 6, from the clamshell form factor to the 3.4-inch cover display, which remains unchanged from both the Flip 6 and Flip 5. Meanwhile, the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 is rumored to feature a larger outer display, setting it apart from its predecessors, but the Fan Edition sticks to what we already know. In terms of dimensions, the Flip FE is expected to be nearly the same size as the Flip 6, with one slight difference. It could be a little thicker, -7.4mm compared to 6.9mm on the Flip 6. The reason behind this slight increase in thickness isn't clear just yet, but it's one of the only noticeable design variations. If this design choice seems a little predictable, it's because it is. Samsung has been playing it safe with foldables lately, and it's not surprising to see the Fan Edition model follow the same pattern. The Fan Edition lineup typically repackages premium features from flagship devices into a more cost-effective package, and that's exactly what's happening here. The leaked renders showcase the Flip FE in a mint color, but it's still uncertain if this will be an official color option when the phone launches. We haven't heard much about Samsung's color choices for this model, but given the trend of past Flip devices, we can expect some vibrant and playful options. While the design might not be shaking things up, there are a few key differences under the hood. The Galaxy Z Flip FE was recently spotted in a certification listing from the CCC, revealing that its charging speeds might not be impressive, something that, while disappointing, isn't entirely unexpected. Performance-wise, the Flip FE is rumored to be powered by Samsung's Exynos 2500 processor. Depending on the configuration, it may come with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM, making it a solid performer for multitasking and daily usage. Camera-wise, the main shooter is expected to be a 50-megapixel sensor, which could be a nice upgrade over previous models. What really makes the Galaxy Z Flip FE interesting is the competition it's set to face. While affordable foldable phones are still a rarity, Motorola is expected to release a budget-friendly version of the Razr, meaning Samsung won't be the only player in this market for long. That said, Samsung has a strong position in the foldable segment, and if priced right, the Flip FE could bring more users into the foldable ecosystem. So, what does this all mean? If you've been eyeing a foldable phone but weren't ready to shell out flagship prices, the Flip FE might be the solution you've been waiting for. However, if you were expecting something groundbreaking, this leak suggests that Samsung is playing it safe, perhaps too safe. At the end of the day, the Galaxy Z Flip FE is shaping up to be a solid yet familiar addition to Samsung's foldable lineup. It's essentially a slightly tweaked Flip 6, and while that might not be the most exciting news, it could still be a great entry point into the world of foldables for those looking for a more affordable option. What you think? Is the Galaxy Z Flip FE a smart move by Samsung, or were you hoping for something more innovative? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.